What's up? It's me, Hope. Today I'm going to be doing a skit, like Life of a Slime Scammer skit part 2. So, if you were wondering from yesterday's video, way long, like yesterday's video, I am doing a giveaway. So, to enter that giveaway, you have to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on TikTok. And all of those usernames will be in the description down below. And once you're done, you have to, in the comments, you have to type Purple Cow, and I will randomly be choosing who gets the giveaway, which is 5 slimes of your choice. But it depends on what slimes you want. If you want like cloud slime or anything like that, like butter slime, it'll have to be like after my birthday or Christmas because I don't have the materials for that right now. So sadly I really don't, and it kind of sucks because like usually most slimers do have that material, but I am not that big of a slimer yet. So yeah, don't mind my hair; it's like crazy. So yeah. So let's get right on into the video. Hello, I just woke up. That's why my hair looks crazy. Okay, so I got another order from Pam again. So it says, I want all your slimes. Look how big that writing is. Oof. So it says, I want all your slimes, including your Aaron's Thinking Putty, which is the liquid glass. She wants the clear slime, foam beads, and many others. Like extras. Sorry, I said that wrong. So, as again, I'm going to be generous. And give her like more things. So I have them in the same bag because she gave me everything back. Like everything back. Because she hated it all. Oh, she's so rude. Just let me put everything back up here, and I'm going to put all her extras. Everything's going to be nice. So, we'll get her this slime. There's pencil shavings in it. Yeah. Oh, I think I'm going to be really nice. I'm going to give her an empty container. That is what she's going to get. That. Oh, and then she wanted some clear slime. I mean, like, I do have clear slime. Oh, there it is. It's not just clear, but that's okay. That makes it better. And then she wanted Aaron's Thinking Putty. She ain't gonna get that. She can get this. She can get this. One of those things. And there. Ooh. And I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna give her like really good clear slime. See that, guys? Yeah. I'm gonna be generous. I'm gonna give her glow in the dark glue. Already been used a little bit, like a dash a bit. So yeah. There we go. She's gonna get this, which she gave me back. If she like keeps on sending it back, she's gonna keep on getting it back. Everything she got yesterday is going back in there, like everything. Oh, and she wanted like all my slimes, like every single one that I make. There's like multiple. So that goes for like 5 slimes. Cause look at all those slimes in there. And it got hardened together. And she wanted foam beads too. Yeah, she wanted foam. And there's some. Like there's some. She can get those. She'll be like super surprised because like look how big this bag is like right now. Huh. I think we're gonna be really nice. today. Like, you sure not? I'm going to give her back her marker that she gave back to me. Oh. And she can get one of the tools for, like, butter slime and slime. So, yeah. She can get this donut she gave back yesterday. I don't understand why she gave me back this. Because this was pretty lit. And she's going to get this back, too. I think she wants a spoon, too. Yeah, she wants a spoon. A dirty spoon. She'll want a dirty spoon. Oh, and here's this. Here's this. Some clay. Clay. Okay. So now we have to write. Oh, crap. I need that pen. I'm going to write the same thing I did yesterday. Oh, that's wrong. 30 side. Here. Right here. This was from yesterday, guys. She gave me back the note, too, because she doesn't like anything. She's ungrateful. I'm saying don't give back anything. I was generous this time. No refunds. And let's think of what it cost. I give her a lot of things, but it has to be like $1 million. Yeah. Total. $1 million. Right, in cash. In cash. Okay. Boom. I'm gonna shove that in there. Oh, and shipping is not free. Shipping, since this is like a really crappy bag, it has to be like $50. Fee, that's a fee. So yeah, it was really close. So yeah, let's go send this to her. Let's see what her reaction is. And let's see what kind of note she sends this time. Because usually it's kind of dumb. So, yeah, let's go. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Okay. So, I got this slime package again. Because I wanted to see if anything would work again. So, yeah. I'm just going to start opening my stuff and see what I get this time. I hope I don't get any. I hope I don't get scammed. Because if I get scammed, I'm gonna be really mad. Oh, that felt good. Okay. So here's the note. Don't give back anything. I was generous this time. No refunds. Total $1 million. Yes, okay. In cash. Problem. Whatever. Okay, so I pulled out the donut I got again. Stupid. I don't want this. Stupid. Got the stupid marker again. No one wants that. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm like, this is the only good part. Only right there. Everything else is stupid. Guys, she gave me a bottle of glue. That is so nice. And it's glow in the dark. Yes. Okay. I can see myself. Boop. Oh, what? Is this clear slime? Guys, there's nothing in it. Stupid. It's got an empty container full of slime. I got my foam beads, but there's only a little bit. not gonna do good for me. Oh, sorry. Dude, I got the same exact slime. Oh, dang it. I mean, like, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good slime. I can deal with it. Fallout. Fallout. Stupid. Another empty container. It says glowing on it. There's nothing even in it. Look what I got now. Is this the stupid pina colada slime again I didn't ask for? So it's like full of stuff. I don't like that. Guys, look, I got a tool. I'm putting in a good and bad pile. I have a lot of things in the bad pile. Guys, it's even dirty. Stupid. Ooh, oh. Oh boy, this is like here to cover. Oh, gross. It's full of like, it smells like a lot of lotion. Like a lot. Okay, closing that back up. So everything that's bad is going back. Well, I don't know what that is for. I'm gonna find out later. Oh, nope, not open this one. Same one I got yesterday. So sticky. Clear slime, guys. I got clear slime. It's so stretchy. It's so stretchy, guys. Look. She was being generous this time. So, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Ooh, more clay. That's a good pile. That's a good pile. I got a stupid container, but it's so cute. So let's go in a good pile. Ooh, it's a big slime. Ooh. This smells really bad. It smells like pencil shavings. It's sharp. Ooh, it's a pretty nice slime. Look at it. I like it. Pretty good. Nice and crunchy. Stupid. Alright. That's okay. I'm like getting crunch between this chair right there and this table. Stupid. Maybe I should have went back to my own. Okay, so I have moved actually, guys. I moved. Let's close that up. Is it? Let's see what else I got. Guys, I didn't get my thinking buddy. Wait a second. Got everything I wanted, but then there's this. I didn't ask for it. Guys, this is my thinking putty. It's a bead. Ooh, guys, it's a bead. Look at that. retarded. Well, $1 million. That sucks. You know what? I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna give her these mascara sticks. Well, love you guys. Bye. What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that. Life of a Slime Scammer. So yeah, that's what it's like being live. And if you want, like, I decided the part 1 and part 2. So if you guys want a part 3, which would be great, just comment down below. Blue cow. So to enter the giveaway, do it purple cow and blue cow. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Love you. Bye.